The hidden power of kindness. I recently read a book titled The Hidden Power of Kindness, a practical handbook for those who dare to transform the world one deed at a time, by Lawrence G. Lovasik. Lovasik in his book says, the world needs kindness. By being kind, we have the power of making this world a happier place in which to live. Or at least, we greatly diminish the amount of unhappiness in it so as to make it quite a different world. There is no power in the world so great as that of love expressed through deeds of kindness. During my school days, I was taught a song by our music teacher, the lyrics of which goes like this. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now. Being kind not only has a direct effect on others, but it has a positive effect on yourself as well. Everybody can use a little bit of kindness in their life. These little acts of kindness include a smile, opening a door for someone, delivering a bouquet of flowers, giving a compliment, being a good listener, helping someone in need, saying thank you, treating someone with a coffee or tea, wishing someone on their birthdays, allowing someone to get ahead of you in the queue, taking a minute to direct someone who is lost, are all little acts of kindness. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 25, verses 34 to 36, "Come, blessed of my Father, for I was hungry and you fed me. I was thirsty and you gave me to drink. I was a stranger and you welcomed me into your house. I was naked and you clothed me. I was sick and you visited me. I was in prison and you came to see me." According to Ronald Reagan, we can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. And Jackie Chan says, sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and caring to change a person's life. In the words of Mark Twain, kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Carry out random acts of kindness, says Princess Diana, with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for others or even for you. Yes, we need to remember that our deeds of kindness are never wasted. They do make a difference. Every act of kindness creates a ripple effect and creates endless deeds of kindness. And the same thing will come back to you sooner or later. Bollywood actor Sonu Sood has become a symbol of humanity through his acts of kindness. The actor left no stone unturned in helping migrant workers who were stuck in the cities of India due to nationwide lockdown. From arranging buses to launching a helpline toll-free number, Sonu walked the extra mile for doing the best possible for migrant workers to get to their homes. Sonu even airlifted 177 girls from Kochi to Bhubaneswar who were stuck in Kerala after they moved out of Kitex garment factory. In the old movie Bhagavan, Raj Malhotra shows kindness to Alok, a shoeshine boy on the street, and helps him to study. The last part of the movie shows how his little act of kindness was amply rewarded. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, kindness and love can buy you the whole world. Lectures and books and philosophy all stand lower than these. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers, says Khalil Gibran. In the words of Nelson Henderson, the true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. The Lord said, "Whatever you did it to the least of my brothers and sisters, you did it to me." Let us spread love and warmth through little deeds of kindness.